Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Hope you're all safe. Today I'm planning to do another fall decor or autumn decor, you can say. So yeah, I love the fall colors and who would not, right? So fall colors are so beautiful. So I wanted to do another project in fall inspired theme. So yeah, the things that I'm going to use all are from Dollar Tree. And let me show what are the things I have here. I got this beautiful velvet pumpkin and I showed this in one of my hauls. I'm going to use this. And I also got one moss colored pumpkin. This I got from Target, the dollar section. It's just $1 and it's ceramic one. So I'm going to decorate this as well. I love the color. So I'm going to use this pedestal and I showed this in the haul as well. And this cute home ceramic one. And this one is the string lights with maple leaf. So this is going well with the fall theme, so I got that. And some of the wooden pieces and some pearl string and some diamond wrap and some pearls. And I'm going to use one of the pine cone. And these are some of the florals that I got from last year, and I'm going to decorate this. This is going with the theme, so I'm going to reuse this basically. And some of the fall leaves, maple leaves. And I also got this tofu box, plastic and ice cream cup. So I'm going to paint this tofu box with this peachy orange crafter square and a yellow paint to give orange color to this. And I'm going to decorate something like this, like a pedestal, so I can put the fall decor into that. And last but not the least, this is one of the Scarecrow solar powered. And this is a cute one. I just loved it. It's got like already decoration to it. It's got, nice pumpkins and 2 crows. And he's so cute with the hat, with the flower on it. So I probably will decorate him. And I'm also going to use him in the decoration. And so when I separated the leaves of the corn, the inner part of the corn had this kind of a thin hair or straw kind of a thing. So I don't know what this is called. So I'm also going to use this because this is going along with the theme. So yeah, this is also I'm going to use. So I'm going to do the initial preparation and I'll be back. welcome back, you guys. This is the final result of all the projects that I was planning to do in this video. And this is our very own favorite velvet pumpkin. And I decorated the lines of the pumpkin with diamond wrap. I just cut into single strands and then I stuck it around the pumpkin. And also on the top of the pumpkin also I just had some of the diamond wrap and I covered like that. So because I wanted to highlight this beautiful velvety orange with the glittery silver, so this is how I want to decorate. So I'm very happy how it turned out. I think this is my favorite one of all the projects I've done in this video. Let me know your thoughts about this. And I'm going to decorate like this on top of the black pedestal. And this one is our ceramic pumpkin that I got from Target, from dollar section. And this is the pearls that I stuck. And also I had this pearl string that I cut into the maple leaf. I kind of tried to give the maple leaf look. I'm pretty much happy with it. It's not that bad. I'm kind of happy with it. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. I like this mossy green and shiny pearls on top. I kind of like this look too. So yeah, let me know your thoughts as well on this too. And this is the 2-second pumpkin. And the next decor is our ceramic house. I decorated with the fall stuff around the house. These are the 2 red petals of a flower and 1 small foam ball. And this is one of the small pine cone that I got from my backyard. I just stuck it to give like, you know, decoration of the floor fall. And this is our, you know, the florals that I got last year. It's like brown color, so it's going with the theme. So I just stuck it at the chimney part of the house. And I had this string lights, maple leaf shape, and I stuck it around that floral to give like in a dried tree. And then, you know, we are having this decoration of fall around it. So that's the look I want to give it to it. And I also found like small acorn, if you can see, from my backyard. So I just stuck it on the top just to, you know, give the more fall look to it. So yeah, I kind of like this how it came out. This was one of it. And the next one is our Scarecrow. I kind of like him too. I had one small jute twine. I just circled around his hat just to highlight his flower. And I also created a bow for his dress. And I stuck small ribbon at his leg area, the burlap one. And this is our corn, straw or corn hair. I don't know what this is called as. I just stuck around it, so just to give, you know, the farmer kind of a look, farmhouse farmer who is surrounded by the straw kind of a look that I want to give it to him. So I'm very happy how it turned out as well. So let me know your thoughts on this too. And this one is our fall planter bouquet. The planter is made out of tofu box and the ice cream cup painted orange, and then I stuck hot glued both together just to give like a pedestal to the box, and I created like a planter look to that. And I filled styrofoam in the base of the tofu box, and I also decorated with moss and some fall leaves, some green leaves, some foam balls, some pine cones from the backyard, and some of the fall decoratives, fall decorative fillers. So yeah, I'm going to decorate just like this. I'm very happy how it turned out. And this is the plastic containers we didn't throw into the environment, and we made use of this and converted this into a planter. So I'm kind of happy with this too. And I also wanted to have one more project to it, added to it. This is one of the candle votives. So I had this burlap ribbon, and I stuck one of the maple leaf, and I had this yellow color candle lying in my craft room. So I thought, like, you know, I'm going to give a fall theme inspired candle to this project. So I'm going to lit the candle and show you how it looks. So this is how I'm going to decorate, you guys. I think I love all of the projects in this video. Let me know your thoughts, which one is your favorite, or you have any suggestions. Please leave the suggestions in the comment section. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon to get the notifications when I upload videos like this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.